how to password protect a Microsoft Word document. In this video, I'll show you how to protect a Microsoft Word document with a password. First, open the Word document you want to protect. Click the File tab, then select Info. Next, click Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password. A dialog box will appear. Enter the password you want to use, then click OK. Enter the same password again to confirm it and click OK. Word will now protect the document with your password. Make sure you save the document to apply the protection. To test it, close the document and open it again. Word will ask you to enter the password before you can access the file. Keep in mind that you should remember your password because it may not be possible to recover the document if you forget it. And that's how to password protect a Microsoft Word document. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.